It's been described as the most epic interview of his entire musical career. The interview between Vybz Kartel and the Fix team, where no questions were left unturned and Vybz Kartel did not filter out anything. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Entertainment Update, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details.
Faith are the substance of things hoped for and the evidence of things not seen.
That's biblical.
Enough people see me and say God and love God and real, but them not understand, bro. I talk to God and I know me they go come out. And where I make plans, the TJ there, where I make plans, buy car, put on, plan business, sign contract, everything, knowing say me go come out.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV Entertainment Update. Adija Parwa, more popularly known as Vybz Kartel, has provided The Fix with the interview of the year. In January, the entertainment platform The Fix celebrated their 10th anniversary. In December, they upped their game and secured some major interviews, the team of Ari, Naro and Javi. But this one is historic. On Monday, December 23rd, they premiered their Vybz Kartel interview. Since his release in July, Vybz Kartel has been in demand for interviews, appearances and new music, and he has delivered since then. What many anticipated, however, was if he was going to be one of the artists to finally appear on The Fix. Throughout the year, the cast made pleas and requests for him to appear on set, and now it's finally here. The interview spoke about the DJ's experience while incarcerated, his fight for freedom, life outside of prison, his love life, family, thoughts on some of his peers in the music business, and his upcoming big show Freedom Street concert, and much more. Congrats goes out to The Fix for such an epic interview. The popular dancehall entertainer started the interview by speaking about his new business venture, which was the rum. He also took the time to reflect on his previous rum and how this one is different compared to the other.
May I say the rum is contrast to street vibes. Because street vibes at the time did actually represent Vybz Kartel persona. At the time, it's rough.
Oh.
Yeah, man, it's rough and it does, you know? Straight forward. This now, this more smooth, more mellow, more demure, more cutesy. Very mindful.
Would you say the prior alcohol did leaner, seeing that this is straight?
Yes. I know.
And so what you did there?
What the girl name I used to distribute the rum? Lena?
Yeah.
Exactly.
Lena.
So not wrong.
Hilarious.
That's the bullet. To big up Harry. Amount of love in my heart for you when I carry. Trust me, I am a fan.
Really?
I swear to you, I am a fan.
Harry has a fan. Thank you. I appreciate that.
Yeah, man.
I'm very much a fan of yours too.
I know. So and it's not like me I reciprocate it because of that. It's just because I watch the show.
Yeah.
When we're there in prison, you know, we have time and I watch the show and I love the show.
Yeah.
And me's also a fan of Nara as well.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, babe. Me know.
You're crying.
Me know.
And I'm telling you, before the night is done, you're going to get for no job.
Yeah. No,
Trust,
but
I believe.
if me not mistaken, she's a late entry to the...
No.
She did it from day one?
Day one.
She did pregnant. And
I know me.
not you. She had her kid. And then,
Okay.
I had to tell her.
But that goes to show how the star quality of you and Naro and things. So, me can't remember, but big up our same way, man. But you definitely fan.
Oh, man.
Yeah, man. You don't know.
You're piece of enough anti-Ari people out there. Now.
Literally, I was just like last week I just got an email.
Yeah.
Fire Ari.
Why? Maybe they mean say, you're hot.
No, like
Fire Harry.
Fire Harry.
Yeah,
Get
that's
rid
the way
of
You
her.
understand, Javi? Maybe they must say
Yes.
fire Harry.
No, I'll show you the email.
hot.
Like fire links, like maybe
No,
not
like
no?
get rid of her. Get that bitch off.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
That's literally what it said.
Oh
so
shit.
That's just a
yeah.
hater.
Lovers, haters. It's all
Alright,
in
take up your
routine.
cup real quick. Cheers to bad mind.
Very
They make us
good.
stronger.
Offer cheers to them for
They
real.
make us stronger.
They give us strength.
Yeah, man.
I mean,
That's it there.
Hey. So they are 10A. You see me, I partake in the straight vibes. By the way, the fever is my favorite.
Me too.
My favorite. You know what I mean?
Yeah, definitely.
During the interview, Vybz Kartel took the time to reflect on his time incarcerated and how he always knew that he'll be free one day.
Don't take
Because
that part.
everybody we talk to, from Sean Star, Madsus, them all say, yo, teacher tell we say, yo,
I
go do road.
You could have let down the man them.
So you never at any point think that shit. This look bleak. Like
Me couldn't do that. Me not have that. Me never have that luxury there.
wow.
Does she have kids?
Yeah.
You have the luxury if you can tell the people them saying I put food on them table.
Can't say that.
That me I tell you, me never have that luxury there. And plus me have, remember Sean, Sam and all of them, me consider them as children. Sean and my brother, Matthew Sky, them are my kids. I me grow them, you the fan of my baby.
Yeah,
Plus me have my real kids.
Yeah.
Me have too much people that depend on me.
Right.
Wow.
Me never have the luxury. If you say, no time.
Because the thing is,
You know when me cry? When me come out.
really.
I swear to you.
Tears of joy.
Tears of joy and tears of just tears.
Wow.
Straight.
But I tell you, say, you know, stop Christ.
And for black woman, me no stop cry. Anyway. 2 times I cry. A prison. When Shorty mother dead,
Wow.
which I follow.
Yeah.
Mother I love her. Love that woman there. And the next time where it's personal. Cheers. to heartbreak.
Kartel, hold on.
Yeah.
We have a priest say, yo, maybe there was one thing Kartel see what in eat with her. Maybe
Yeah.
if you ever see it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me say everything.
I feel like it's everything for you.
Yes.
You say, wait up, boy, your song, you're not okay, that song there?
Yeah.
Do you think?
But me never okay.
So, at
But
them
me
time,
never okay.
like you're truly never okay
Me
with
never
it.
okay. You're gonna be afraid for that. My life is a one book, you know. My life is a job. Go on if you want. Remember, I mean, say them do all of them song there.
Yeah.
Remember, me do a whole album about it to Tanisha.
Yes.
Big up my fiance. She there, see them. Love
Shout
her
out
next
to
to
them.
life.
We have to acknowledge it.
Yeah, man.
Of course.
Those groupies don't want knowledge to them.
To new love.
I did.
To know love.
Yes.
You know what I mean? Like, now go separate now. Go in.
Yeah, man. Me can't left out city, man. Yeah, one city.
So hold on.
tattoo her upon my hand. A 2 woman, 3 woman me ever put upon me.
Yeah.
My mother. Her nickname there is so Peony. Her real name there is so Teresa.
Yeah.
Shorty there so and see them there so.
That's
That's it. 3 women ever me tattoo upon my skin. Different than my daughter Adiana, big and bold.
Yeah,
Can you don't know?
yeah.
Shout out to Adiana. I must say she's lovely.
Yeah,
Don't
she
kill
just
me.
left your son.
Yeah, don't
Yeah.
kill me. She's lovely.
Yeah. Nah, man, you're mad now, man. Come on, now, man.
She's
Come on,
lovely.
man.
Pretty.
Yeah, I mean, when me like ask her, like with this song, I'm not okay.
Yeah, it wasn't.
It was like at a dark place.
That.
Wow.
But not dark as in, oh my God, I'm not coming out. But just dark as in heartbroken.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
We've been going through stuff over the years, and any man in their prison can tell you. Yeah, yo, man, if she not, now me not say if she, cause she was a strong woman and she raised my kids them well. But it is what it is, man. You can't even blame woman, cause like like she send me go to prison, and like she call police and said, put him in a jail. You know what I mean? So it is what it is, bro.
At what point you figure that this is it? Like it not gonna work no more.
I mean, about 2022, 2021, 2022.
Yeah.
Yeah, them time there. And I remember, you know, the Tanisha album dropped about what, 2020? Yeah, so.
Or 2019.
I think
One of them time
yeah,
there.
2019.
I think
One of them
before
time
COVID.
there.
COVID, yeah.
Yeah.
Or January 2020. One of them.
Yeah.
Is that a late
Yes,
19
January.
Yeah.
or Shirley 20? Yeah. I mean, I'm saying.
Teacher, that rhyming thing there.
Yeah.
Is it that you do it to keep yourself sharp or you
Yeah,
You
because
feeling it
yeah, no,
already.
we do it to keep ourselves sharp. Cause a long time we are doing it, you know. Me, Marshall and Sassin. Cause remember them time the TJ did that as a little juvenile. We on the jammings. We used to just rhyme for fun and you know, like we used to say, like we used to do something like Madagascar. So we will give ourselves a word. And if a man have to figure out something to say with the word, and I'm under that say, boy, you know, me prefer, like I'm under that say, boy, I like ride bicycle, but me prefer drive my Madagascar.
Yeah.
You know, just play with words and
Yeah.
yeah. That's why me still me did have to put Sassin in my top 5 lyricists because I know say him headspace there.
Yeah.
Why? Well, you know what I mean. Yeah. So from them time that we always play with words, play with lyrics, and thing. Even funny enough, all of me youth them if you notice, the whole of them first name started A.
Yeah.
You know, so we always with lyrics our thing. Lyricists. Yeah. So yeah, we have to sharp. We have to keep sharp. Physicists, exactly. So yeah, that's
You
how.
see, are you remember that get the one? Are you remember get the one? What I want to cuss is, you see? You ain't a stupid gully and Gaza thing. You get
I will understand her. I will understand where she come from. But at the end of the day, you still get the one card to me. You're number one.
Oh gosh, thank you.
And the English,
thank
you get
you.
one in a door.
Yeah.
You see it? Lyricist.
Yes.
Exactly.
Yo,
Language.
Me not like how Kartel are full up your head.
Right?
No, me not full up our head.
You know, so I'm not gonna take it. You know, so by the time I go, I'm gonna eat myself tomorrow. So
There
you're
you
good.
go, there you go, there you go.
Jesus Christ. This sound like, are they work husband and wives?
I wonder.
I wonder.
Really,
No.
Jaffe, I wonder.
I want to
going
ask you a
on?
question. Something there. Like, we were talking about it. I think it was a triple X. And say, like, what's like the appropriate amount of time that you can probably like do, like ride out the storm with your partner when him go prison. So I'm like, 5 years is more than adequate. Then after that, we probably have to come to like another arrangement. Like, what's your stance on it? Like, you have to do the whole bid with you?
No, you're crazy.
Okay.
No, bro, that's selfish. That's impossible. But if you and me are forward from far, and you know, say, well, him have 3 chance after him go to prison. Him have him Jamaican appeal and him have him British appeal. All right, the Jamaican appeal get turned down. If you can't wait for the British appeal, fine. If you can't wait, fine as well. Me not go do you nothing. Me not go hurt you. Me not go just hold my one, shed a tear, and we'll move on.
Okay.
Such is life.
Okay.
But at the end of the day, it just depends on the strength of the relationship
Right.
before.
Because what's the rules though? Because I always
There
wonder,
is
it's
no
like,
rules.
Like,
There
am
is
I
no-
not supposed to have anybody
No,
else,
there is no standard.
Yeah.
Each relationship different, and if it be treated accordingly,
Right.
upon its own merit.
Right.
You understand? So that's it. I mean,
Okay.
yeah, but when bro,
There was any discussion between you and Shorty before you go in, or?
no. But the worst thing, you know, me not like now. Someone them want kill woman for them front.
Yeah.
Me not buy that, bro. You know what I mean? There?
Yeah.
A waste man
Me not buy
style.
front neither. So.
Speak for yourself. Not no. Not no.
I have to make that clear.
Yeah. Not no.
Yo, see them
Yeah,
just take
yeah,
the shoes
yeah.
in the hand, man.
But you know this song I say me love pussy forever. Remember me say,
Yeah.
and although me get pussy free, me will take out my money
Oh, yeah.
and buy that.
Yeah,
Me say it.
yeah,
And
yeah.
that's what me tell you. I mean, it is what it is, bro.
Back road, you're a back road connoisseur.
Exactly. Exactly. So,
Yeah.
No
yes,
way.
way.
I
Those
do
are
not
the days.
believe that you stop back road and say, yeah, come in the car.
Bro, when we pull up a back road them days there, I would say, bring on the pussy come up. Big girl run Kartel. What? Them days they did crazy. Popcorn can tell you. Anytime we don't get popcorn on the fix.
What?
Me don't know how not nice ever tell you no.
Me not believe that.
You not have to believe, but me know you believe, I say you
And then the
believe.
man are going to implicate popcorn. Popcorn, then they are going to admit that.
Popcorn not engaged.
Ask him.
So him a go admit it.
That's
But that was then.
Yeah.
That was dead, yeah.
This is now.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh, that's hilarious.
Yeah, we're more knowledgeable and more. But one don't fancy me. Knowledgeable.
During the interview, Vybz Kartel also spoke about how he met his current girlfriend and how they communicated until she came to Jamaica.
You know, me start, it's different. Because when I say, remember, you know, I always believe, say, me have to come to my yard. And I said to her, I said, bro, come to Jamaica. come live. Me I go put you in a house.
Wow.
You're good. And she said, I don't know.
I don't talk like that.
Yeah. But what I know?
I hit you over there.
Yeah. I mean, I say, yo, you're good, man. I got you, bro.
Wow.
After, but even before that, me I say to her, I say, all right, and come I try bribe her, no. Me I say, yo, you're good, you want me to send you some money? She said, no. Got one thing with she, I'm going to be honest. She would have more put a $10,000 credit on my phone. More than even said to me, say she beg me no money or nothing. God. One thing with her.
That's a real.
I'm rate that.
Yo, Kartel, I need me one of those.
Fist bump. Ari, why you stay so?
I don't know why she stays. I don't know why she stays.
I mean, I say, no, she no bad man. I love her. She no bad man. I love her. I mean, say to her, I say, why $50 a pound? I say to see them, say, bro, me and you talk long, even though I'm enough, whatever, you always rep for me. No matter what, me can call upon you anytime.
Yeah.
I say, more you come to Jamaica, come live. Because I know me go come out.
Wow.
She never doubt it either. But the only problem she say, but my parents and my job.
Yeah.
I say, what kind of job? Me there pissed about me rich. You know, she say, boy,
How will I
don't want no
drive?
man mind me. No, she say she don't want no man mind her and blah, blah, blah.
Okay.
And I say, yeah, and me finally convince her. And our family, show them a Turkish, them have a certain kind of
Cultural upbringing.
Yeah, cultural upbringing.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
she have to carry her passport, go hide over a Gumze or Chala. Or Berry. Berry. She have to go hide it over one of our next Turkish friend them.
Wow.
Yeah, and just in case
Yeah.
our family find out say she come to Jamaica to a black man
Oh no.
and hold on her passport.
Oh my
Yeah,
God.
no, me with it, come on, stop it. Racism is, stop it. Racism is real, people.
It is.
Stop it. Huh?
The first time I've left my house.
So why you did have to send a passport? Anyway,
Because my mum's attached to me.
I know.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I don't know. So, so it's one thing on me, I say, bumbo clot. So now she build up my courage.
Yeah.
Me, I say, yeah, dog. Cause remember, my chip just lick. Me can't find it, shot it, lick it. It fly down way over one part. And couple months, it take me, cause remember, we have to self-heal.
Yeah.
Even though I never fully heal, but we have to take a couple months, almost a year.
Yeah.
And then me link her and I say, Ray, and she say, all right, me I go forward. Because when I say, me I know I talk from 2015. So at the time when I tell her now, watch this, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, a 7 year now, me and her I talk for.
Yeah.
So,
Nearly every day.
exactly, exactly. So she forward now, 15th of August, 2022, never forgot.
Best month.
You're born August. Leo,
Yeah.
me,
Lion roar.
I want my next baby mother want that Sophia,
Jaja.
Bad thing.
Anyway,
We're good people.
not really. Anyway, she forward.
This is where we're going to leave this report, though you can watch the full interview on the Fix channel. This is Links 007 TV signing out for another one.